This is a product that has the potential to make it to my esteemed travel essentials, but we'll find out if it does by the end of this video. So SomniPods sent me these ear pods that help you sleep. So they're like earplugs, just with a lot more tech. Guys, apparently they have a Snapdragon in here, and y'all know I stan Snapdragon. So around the box, there's not much going on except for a lot. We might be able to use them as regular earphones as well, and maybe have some white noise going while we're trying to go to sleep. I don't know, but they're marketing these for sleeping. So ANC, blocking out all of the noise and getting to sleep. But let's get the unboxing happening. What am I talking about? Cables and ear tips, extra ear tips on the lid. Let's get these opened up first real quick. See what we're dealing with. I have never seen this many ear tips. Wow. What is going on? What are we doing here, guys? They gave me a book. Y'all see that? All right, so there's every size, fam. There's every size being accounted for here, ladies and gentlemen. Ooh, okay, very nice cylinder. Let me get this plastic off. More like paper, actually. Okay, really nice cylinder here, and it just opens. Ooh, clean. Very, very clean. Take a look at that. This is so clean. Okay, the earphones themselves they're so tiny. These are tiny. Do you see how tiny they are? Like in my hand. It's so cute. There's an LED on the case as well. It goes green. Oh, there's documents and there's a wire, I guess for charging, perhaps. Yep, there's included USB-C to USB. And then there's also a bunch of documents. Okay, very cool. Now, when it comes to earplugs, not these, but earplugs, I have used every single brand of earplugs. Back when I was in the trap house back in Scarborough. Welcome to the crib. I call this my crib, you know what I'm saying? This is my walk-in closet. You walk in, you walk out, you know what I'm saying? We got the walk-in closets right here. Guys, I could never sleep, and I went on I have tried the most premium earplugs, the most cheapest earplugs, the most warehouse earplugs, the most gooeyest earplugs. I have tried all of them. Nothing worked back in the trap house. So aside from the earpods themselves, they have an app as well that you can connect and get a lot of AI insights. We're gonna get into that in just a second. Okay, so the most important thing with these, honestly, is going to be fitment. These need to sit in my ear and feel like they're not there. Obviously, they don't need to withstand my 10-hour daily oiled up bodybuilding workouts. They need to feel like they're not there. So let's give them a try. These earpods are actually set up with two different covers. So there's these covers which are larger, and these are going to cover most of your ear. Again, these are creating more of a seal, and then obviously the ear tip is what's going deeper into your ear canal. I'm going to start off with the smallest size because I am pretty small. Let's see if this one goes in. I'm going to go ahead and push it in. Oh wow, you guys see that? Very nonchalant. There's very little going on. If you've ever used earplugs in the past, these are actually way more comfortable because earplugs create a vacuum in your ear, and that creates this like pressure imbalance and can get very uncomfortable. But these are not sealing my ear canal. They're just sitting on top of it. So that means air can still pass through and you don't get that stuffy feeling you would get from earplugs. So instead, to block sound, they are going to use a combination of PLC, ANC, and ANL. I know what ANC means, and they told me that PNC specifically blocks out high frequency sounds. For now, I will say that they're engineered very flat, and that was on purpose too, because they made these with side sleepers in mind, and honestly, that's very important for me, because I'm a side sleeper. That's the only way I can sleep. And I am gonna be testing these out shortly, guys. We're gonna test them out overnight. But wait, right now, we can just test the noise cancellation right now. Let's do that. I'm gonna go ahead and add these into the app as well, the SomniPods. So they're right here, searching for devices. Pairing, and they're paired. Okay, firmware update available. I can update now for better performance and stability. Wait up. Okay, so first of all, the app tells you exactly how to put them in. First night may feel different. These are designed for side sleeping, but comfort can take time. Around 27% of users reporting needing around 3 to 5 nights to find their best fit and fit fully comfortably. All right. So they have different modes. Okay, really cool. So I'm gonna put these back in my ear, put them in, twist them up. The app tells me exactly how many hours I have remaining as well, how much charge there is in the charging case in the right and left ear. And there's different modes. There's a normal mode and a sleeping mode. So let's go ahead and test the ANC right now. Let's see how this goes. Now I've got the TV playing behind me, but I've also got a laptop on the side. ANC is off right now, so I'm going to turn this on and see if it blocks out the immediate noise. Oh, okay. Yeah. I can't hear anything. I can't. All I hear is ocean water. And they actually have ocean water playing on the bottom, as you can see. So there are different audios that you can play. All I hear is the ocean right now. It's swaying me, man. It's swaying me back and forth. The ANC works. Okay, so ANC works. It's really easy to toggle it on or off with the app as well. And you can also set it to auto. So whenever you put these into sleep mode versus normal mode, it automatically goes into ANC. And you can set a timer on ANC, so it automatically turns off after 1 or 2 or 3 hours. It's totally customizable. I have high hopes for these tonight because I'm going to be trying them out and seeing what they can do. Will they be comfortable enough? Guys, because look, if I can sleep in them, if these are comfortable enough where I can fall asleep with these in my ear, and I literally can't fall asleep with even a watch on. I am very sensitive, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it and give these things a few hours to help me fall asleep. Okay, quick update. I have ANC on, so I can't really hear myself right now. But I'm gonna be hitting the sack. Okay, I've got the FITNEXA SomniPod 3s in both of my ears, and I'm gonna see how they actually work. Now, like I said, I'm a side sleeper, so you know that's gonna be a big issue for me, and we're gonna find out if I actually can sleep on my side or not. I'm just gonna have ANC on the entire time. Let's see if I can fall asleep. Okay, I don't know how good this camera mic actually is. They're still in my ear. They've gotten a little bit loose over a couple of hours, but they're still in my ear. I was actually able to sleep very comfortably with these in my ear, much more comfortably than most other ear pods. But they do say that the more you, oh wow, I just took it out of my ear, now I can like hear myself a lot more clearly. Wow. So the ANC was working really well. I wasn't really disturbed by any noises. One thing is, even though these are more comfortable than like any other earplug I've ever tried, my Apple Watch is telling me I woke up. I appreciate that. But even though these are more comfortable than any other earphone I tried, this one has fallen out now as well. So they both got pretty loose. I toss and turn a lot, but they do say that the more you use them, so it does take like 2 or 3 nights for you to get really comfortable with them, to the point where you have absolutely no issue with these in your ear. Now, when these were in my ear, I was sleeping with the sleeping breeze, or the ocean breeze, white noise, and I really enjoyed that. I thought it would make me want to go pee. It did not. So with ANC on and with some white noise like ocean breeze or light rain, thunder, that really, you know, seals the deal for me and helps me sleep a lot easier. So yeah, these were quite nice overnight. They're very comfortable. If they're comfortable for me, they're very, very comfortable. Back to the studio, I guess. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a travel essential. Give it up for the SomniPods 3. Now do keep in mind that with ANC, you are getting up to 6.5 hours of battery, and with it off, you'll be about 12 hours. And that is to make sure that these are super light, coming in at just under 3.3 grams and under 9.9 millimeters thin. Now there are a few extra cherries on top via the app. It does give me AI-backed insights into my sleeping habits, which is nice. And so for me, I can honestly see myself using these in an airplane setting or like a train. But honestly, I also have to hit the melatonin in airplanes because these alone can't stop you from feeling the turbulence. So when you're trying to sleep and the only issue is ambient noises, like, you know, trains outside or stuff, these are going to be able to block it out in large part. But if the issue is physical, like the walls are moving for some reason, or you're going through turbulence, you'll need something a little bit more. Even still, these are so much better than any earplugs I've tried. And I say that as someone who has tried earplugs from like 5 different brands on Amazon, from the premium super dense stuff to the gooey tech ones, and none of them worked for me because they were just really uncomfortable and had a vacuum in my ear and it just kept pushing deeper in my ear canal. I hated that stuffy feeling. These overcome all of those. You don't feel stuffy with these at all. Now in the summer, I will have a travel essentials video and I am going to talk about these. I'm going to include them in that video soon. So if you want, you know, a longer term of these, stay tuned. I'm gonna see you next week. Get some rest.